Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me ZTE A72S device, and now I can show you top 3 bad themes for this smartphone. On the third place in my top is Niagara Launcher, so it's a really minimalistic theme with alphabetical line. So alphabetical line is the thing that makes this launcher is really minimalistic and great to use. Smart Launcher 6 is this theme on the second place in my top. So it's really beautiful launcher with really beautiful interface, with great news panel and with great apps grouping feature. But if you want to create new groups, you need to pay for Prime. But why I like this launcher, why I love it, so because here we have wallpapers gallery, really great wallpapers gallery, what's renews daily, and here you can find really beautiful wallpapers. Wallpapers from Smart Launcher 6 are really great, and they fit for any launcher you have. And of course, Microsoft Launcher. Microsoft Launcher is really great and functional launcher. So I like this launcher. I'm using this on my device, which I use for studying because it's really functional device, functional launcher. So here, for example, we have glance panel. In the glance, we can set up all our favorite widgets. All widgets we can have here. We don't need to swipe between thousands of home screens. Here we have main menu with alphabetical line and hiding apps feature. And on the settings, launcher settings, and in the settings we have gestures. And using the gestures, for example, we can use apps. I don't know, Bing. For example, I want to open the Bing using swipe up with 2 fingers. Maybe. Oh, okay, it's here. It's because my ZTE device is not too performance smartphone. So great, so let's try again. And hello Bing. So Bing works not too good, as you can see, so I will try to change it to the other application. Bing app, it's too difficult app for ZTE device. So I will try, for example, calculator, and as you can see, it opens every time I'm doing it. So you can open Teams in this stage. You can set up 3 fingers gestures and other gestures. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.